MinebeaMitsumi Europe combines precision and innovation. Our locations work together like precise gears to develop technologies of tomorrow. Here in our location, we develop advanced measurement and inspection solutions to ensure quality. Our successes are based on solutions developed here, used by our partners there, and guarantee precision everywhere.
We are connectors. With IoT technologies, we are able to connect people and cities, shaping smart infrastructures for the future. Innovation is our driving force.
Our specialized plastic gears and gearbox assemblies make products more reliable and efficient. They're used here in the automotive industry, they're in construction, and everywhere where precision is key.
We are visionaries. Together with car manufacturers, we develop innovative access systems. From door handles and latches to automated doors and flaps. Our expertise in mechanics, electronics, and mechatronics builds complete solutions that create trust.
Our Research and Development Center develops advanced drive systems and motors that drive movement worldwide. Here, innovative ideas are born. There, they are implemented with our customers, and everywhere they ensure efficiency. Together with our partner sites, we shape the technologies of the future.
We are precision. Our teams ensure that advanced access systems are made with passion and care, enhancing vehicle safety and comfort worldwide. Through technical expertise and teamwork, we shape smarter mobility.
Our European sales headquarters of the MinebeaMitsumi Group manages the distribution of precision components and systems. Here, we coordinate processes. There, we ensure the highest reliability. And everywhere, we support our customers with top-notch solutions.
We are the European Center of MinebeaMitsumi, where ideas and expertise from all over Europe come together. At our site, we develop innovative drive technologies and solutions that promote progress and efficiency in the automotive industry, aerospace, robotics, and beyond. Join our team and help us shape the technologies of tomorrow, connected and limitless. Here, there, everywhere.